The IIC is dedicated to fostering innovation and nurturing entrepreneurial talent. Since the inception of IICs by the Innovation Cell MIC, as per the norms and directives of the Ministry of Education, it has been actively engaging faculty, students and staff in innovation and entrepreneurship related activities. These include hackathons, leadership talks, ideation sessions, workshops and seminars in IPR, entrepreneurship and various competitive events, all aimed at enhancing the innovation ecosystem within the institute. World Intellectual Property Rights Day is observed on April 26 each year to highlight the importance of intellectual property rights in promoting creativity and innovation. It helps people understand how legal protection like patents, copyrights and trademarks safeguard the work of creators and inventors. The day was established by World Intellectual Property Organization in the year 2000, emphasizing the role of intellectual property in supporting economic growth and cultural development. At the heart of today's celebration lies IPR, Intellectual Property Rights. IPR protects the unique ideas, inventions, and creativity of individuals. It gives legal ownership and encourages creators to keep building without fear of theft or misuse.
It ensures that innovation is not just recognized but also rewarded, laying the foundation for a society that respects and upholds originality. Welcome to Eureka Arena, where ideas click and brands speak. Today we have not one but 2 rounds lined up, each designed to show how intellectual property rights are all around us. Let us give us a quick sneak peek before we jump right in. Round 1, Trivia, Tagline Trivia. Participants are divided into team of 2. Teams will see incomplete taglines and must complete them and identify the correct brand. Each team will be shown 2 taglines and participants will get 10 seconds for each tagline. The scoring will be on the basis correct tagline 5 points, correct tagline plus correct brand 10 points, wrong answer 0 points. Rule: first, each question has a time limit. Second, only one submission per team. Third, no use of phones. Fourth, no discussion with other teams. Fifth, top scoring teams will qualify for round 2. Now let us begin with round 1.
Good morning everyone. Good afternoon actually. Welcome to Eureka Arena. This is round 1 and I hope you have lots of fun doing it. So let's get started. पहले मैं एक बारी ढंग से वापस rules explain कर देती हूँ आप लोगों को. So basically you will have a time limit of 10 seconds. I will call 2 teams onto the stage. For example, I call team 1 and team 2. Yes. I will show you 3 taglines, 3 incomplete taglines. और आप लोगों को हाथ खड़ा करना है. जो सबसे पहले हाथ खड़ा करेगा, they will get the chance to answer first. Okay? So let's say for example, team 2 raise their hand first. Yes? So they will have the chance to say the correct answer. If the answer is correct, you will get 5 points. If your answer is correct, you will get 5 points. If your answer is wrong, the question will be moved on to the other team. If both the teams say the wrong answer, then I will show you the next tagline. Okay? Let's get started. Team 1 and team 2, please come to the stage. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Can all everyone see this? Okay, so team 1 is their hand first. Can I get the answer? Yes, that's correct. Right. Yes. Yes, that's correct. And then this is the last slide, so please get ready. Anji.
दाल अच्छे है.
Nice.
Ask your volunteers. जैसे audience will not prompt anything.
Any team जिसने भी पीछे से आंसर करा, whether it is right or wrong, they will be immediately disqualified. So we discourage you from speaking any answers. Volunteers, please make sure it doesn't happen again. Can I get team 3 and team 4 on the stage, please? Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, everyone familiar with the rules? कोई doubt नहीं है? Okay, so I will read the tagline this time before you guys answer it, and then आप लोग answer it. ठीक है? डर के आगे dash. Team. Okay, next slide. Is the. Yes. Come on.
Time's up.
Time's up, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Have a dash.
Have a great day.
Nice. Okay, you guys can go back. That was the taglines. Thank you so much for participating. Guys, we are still in the event. Let's please maintain the decorum. Team 5 and Team 6, please come to the stage. Guys, please refrain from saying any answers and please let's keep silent so they can hear what the question is. Is anybody else? क्या आप डैश करते हैं?
Time's up.
Next slide.
Whiskey
You have to raise your hand, those who are not going to give you this answer. Next slide. Please raise your hand. Just dash it. Yes. Yes, that's correct. I'm so sorry, but I can't. That was 3 taglines. Thank you so much for participating.
तो साथ में आंसर भी बता दिया जब ना बताए थे
ठीक है मैम.
बस बच्चों
Yes, yes. By the way, guys, does anybody know क्या आप dash करते हैं वाला?
विस्की गोली लो.
नहीं. Closer. Yes, that's correct. Okay, next. Then, okay.
कैन यू मेंटेन द डेकोरम हियर
Can I get team 7 and 8 up on the stage? तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए just because. Please raise your hand क्योंकि हम point से लेंगे और आप Guys, with dash. No, you have to tell me what the word is.
और रेज हैंड
And you have to raise your hand. Yes.
Time's up.
That's not correct. You have an answer? No. Okay. Next tagline. It was actually tires with muscle. That's correct. But please let me. Next slide. Dash karo.
रेज योर हैंड
It's actually quite easy. Yes. Right.
Time's up.
Paytm karo. Thank you for participating.
हाँ हमेशा
Let's please get team 9 and 10 up on the stage. एक बार रूल रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. स्लाइड दिखेगी, हैंड रेज करना है, मैं पहले पढ़ूंगी फिर आप आंसर दे सकते हैं. ओके. आई एम डैश 8. Very easy by the way. You guys probably go here twice a month.
Time's up.
Okay. So the answer is I am loving it by McDonald's. Next slide. It's finger dash good. Yes, but you have to raise your hand so you didn't get that. Next question. Eat dash do dash. Please raise your hand. Okay. Time's up.
Time's up.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for participating. The answer was. Does anybody have the answer? 5 stars. Okay. Thank you for participating.
Guys, please maintain decorum.
Can we please get team 11 and 12 up here? Volunteers, please get everyone seated. It's a huge chaos.
20 मतलब 10
Okay.
teams हैं. 20 teams हैं तो 10 आएंगे.
Okay, can we get? Okay, please हाथ खड़ा करके बोलना because it's not fun seeing you guys not get the points. Next slide. Dash is the secret of my energy. Yes, that's correct. Next slide, please. Dash है तो white है. Come on, we hear this a lot. Time अभी आपका.
Time's up.
Okay. Well, the answer. Does anybody know? That's correct. Time. No, it actually on the other side. Dash जीत की. Hand raising. That's correct. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you. टीम पहले आ गए हैं. तालियां ही नहीं बजने थी इन्होंने. तालियां बजा. Next slide. Dash different. Yes. That is correct. Okay. Next slide. हर कुछ नहीं शफात. You can't answer like that, but that was wrong. Actually, yes, that's correct. Next slide. Yes. Connecting family. हाँ? Connecting people. That's correct. किसी को पता है कि stand का है connecting people? Does anyone know? Nokia. That's correct actually. किसने बोला था Nokia? That's correct. Okay, thank you. Team 15, 16, can you please get you up on stage? तालियां मारो यार. Next slide. Dash pizza India. That. Okay, that's correct. I'm going to do that. Next. Dash है पर मेरा है. You didn't raise your hand. Next slide. ये तो मैंने प्रमोशन के टाइम पे बोला. That's correct. Okay. Thank you for participating. Next two teams, please come up on stage. Come on, yaar. Strong करना पड़ता है. Let's keep the energy up. Everyone ready? हाथ रेज करना, ठीक है? Next. That's correct. Next slide, please. Dash gives you wings. Yes, that's correct. थोड़ा तेज बोल. Next slide. That's correct. Okay. Come on, ALP, आप इतने लोग क्यों हैं? This is round 1, अभी round 2 भी है. Please come up on stage, next two teams. Yeah? Come on. Are we ready? King of wood? That's correct. आप कौन सी टीम है? Yes. Not correct. Close. You get That's actually both wrong but very close. किसी के पास आंसर है? Yes.
Lemon.
Lemon tea बोला था. Lemon tea. Lemon tea. Yeah, actually that's correct. Like you said lime and lemon. I was wrong. I'm so sorry. Next slide, please. Yes. नहीं, sword dash का है. Sword something like that. Do you have an answer? You get 10 seconds. No, actually, does anybody else have an answer? नहीं. Yes, that's correct. स्वाद अपने पन का. But thank you so much for participating. That was all our teams. तुम लोगों ने बिल्कुल एनर्जी नहीं दिखाई, but nevertheless we're going to keep moving forward. So we have something special planned for you guys, and then we're going to come back for round 2. Thank you so much for participating.
आप दोनों मैच कर लो आप लोग साथ अनिशा क्रिश यही पे है आपकी क्रिश बीसी का बच्चा फाइनली
Now, now I would like to warmly welcome the head of the Department of Information Technology, Dr. Divya Gupta ma'am, and the head of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Dr. Sonam Mahajan ma'am.
I would like to introduce and welcome Dr. Divya Gupta, Head of Department of Information Technology. Dr. Divya Gupta is an experienced academician with over 18 years of teaching and research in computer science. She holds a PhD from Jagannath University, Jaipur, specializing in robust automatic speech recognition systems. Currently, she serves as Head of IT Department and Associate Professor at JIMS Vasantpur. She has previously served as Assistant Professor at Amity University, Noida for more than a decade. Her teaching expertise includes software testing, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics. She has contributed extensively to accreditation processes like NAAC and NABET, mentored numerous student projects, and published research in reputed journals. I would like to request Vineet sir to present a token of appreciation to Divya.
Now we extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sonam Mahajan, the head of the Department of Media and Communication Studies. Dr. Sonam Mahajan is a media consultant, content creator, and business strategist with extensive experience in social media. in social media marketing, brand positioning, and digital storytelling. As the founder of the Content Canvas, she empowers business and entrepreneurs to enhance their digital presence and build strong brands. With a background in academia, Dr. Mahajan has taught at the university level for 15 years and conducted numerous training sessions on content strategy, branding, marketing, and entrepreneurship. She holds a PhD in mass communication and is committed to advancing the next generation of media professionals through her expertise and guidance. She is also a mentor to startups and women-led businesses, guiding them in leveraging digital platforms for growth. A passionate advocate for sustainability and women's empowerment, she has been recognized by the Gorsons Foundation for her contribution to empowering women in business 2024 and awarded the Influence for her honor for her contributions to women's health and advocacy by White Ribbon Alliance and C3 India. Dr. Mahajan frequently speaks at industry forums including ABP Live and Youth Ki Awaaz and co-anchors business networking events in Delhi NCR. Her insights on financial literacy, social media monetization and digital entrepreneurship makes her a valuable voice in empowering individuals to achieve financial independence. Now I would like to invite Soma ma'am to present a token of appreciation to Sonam ma'am.
We are honored to have with us Dr. Meenakshi Nirula, the Director of JINS Vasant Kunj and President of IIC. Dr. Meenakshi Nirula is a seasoned academic leader and technology professional with over 28 years of experience spanning education, research, institutional systems and software development. She currently serves as the Director of Jagannath International Management School, JINS Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, following her long-standing and impactful tenure as Head of the Department of Information Technology. Her recent elevation to the directorial role reflects her dedication, strategic vision, and ability to consistently prove herself in leadership. Dr. Nirula holds a PhD in Computer Science, an MTech in Information Technology, and an MSc in Mathematics. Her career began in the IT industry, where she worked for nearly 7 years as a software developer and team leader, managing critical projects in the domains of banking, housing finance, and enterprise systems. She is a published researcher with 2 patents in IoT and machine learning based systems and is the author of the book Python for Data Analysis. She has also authored numerous research papers in soft computing, fuzzy logic, and expert systems.
In her academic journey, Dr. Nirula has demonstrated a deep commitment to institutional growth, academic excellence, and digital transformation. She has played a pivotal role in implementing ERP solutions, learning management systems, and digital tools that have modernized operations and have enhanced the teaching learning experience. Dr. Nirula has also served as the PCA program coordinator of Guru Gobind Singh International University for more than 16 years and has contributed extensively to curriculum reforms and academia coordination across affiliated colleges. Now as the president of the Institutions Innovation Council under the Ministry of Education, she has consistently promoted innovation and entrepreneurship across campus, earning top-tier national ratings for the institution. Her work has been recognized with several honors, including the Best Faculty Award and the Faculty of the Month Award. Dr. Nirula has been recently honored with the prestigious Education Leadership Award. This recognition was conferred by the Council for Sustainable Peace and Development during the International Gen Next Business Tycoon Summit and Award 2026 held at IIC Jaipur. With a rare combination of academia depth, industry insight, and institutional leadership, Dr. Nirula continues to drive impactful change in higher education. I would like now to request Anisha ma'am to present a token of appreciation to Narula ma'am. I would now like to request Narula ma'am to enlighten.
Good afternoon. Okay, I'm happy to see the young students of our college celebrating this IPR day. And these kind of events definitely tells that the students are involved in these kind of activities. And IPR is a very, very important activity related to innovation. I think earlier also I have discussed about IPR. What is that? Intellectual property right. Okay, so we have different kind of properties, and this is the property which is generated from our intellect. Right? Intellect means हमारे सोच से, हमारे दिमाग को यूज करके अगर हमने कोई चीज को क्रिएट किया है, और वो एक ऐसी चीज है जो पहले कभी किसी ने नहीं बनाया, तभी हम उसको रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट में. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. कई बहुत सारे इनोवेशंस, इन्वेंशंस इंडिया में हुए हैं, बट वी हैव नॉट टेकन द क्रेडिट ऑफ इट बिकॉज वी नेवर थॉट ऑफ getting it registered with our name. If we are doing something great, something innovative, something new which nobody has done earlier, so we should definitely take the credit of it, and we should ensure that nobody else should take the credit of it. And here the role of IPR comes into picture. There is a process. I think your IIC committee will be conducting certain activities related to IPR, how to register, how to apply for IPR, and what are the different steps, what are the different types of IPRs. Because copyright also we call it as IPR. Trademarks also, you are having some, I think, events related to trademarks, logos, catch line or something like that. I have heard that you are conducting this kind of events today. So all these things, why we are conducting these activities, just to make you understand that these all things are very important, because sometimes we see a logo and we recognize a brand. Sometimes we hear some tune, हमने उनका ad सुना होता है, उनकी ट्यून सुनी होती है, और उन ट्यून से हम पहचान जाते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट का ad है. तो यही जो बायर्स हैं, कस्टमर्स हैं, उनके माइंड में ये चीज़ बनाना, ये बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस के लिए चैलेंज होता है. और इसीलिए पीपल गो, बिजनेसेस गो फॉर IPR. And I suggest the IIC to conduct certain events or activities related to discuss cases where IPR, the companies were challenged for related to their logos or their tagline or their logos. May I think Hero, Honda and Honda City. If you see their logo, both of them are having edge. But if you closely monitor them, so one is, I think, little italicized edge and one is straight edge. So earlier also I used to get confused edge देखे कि ये गाड़ी किसकी है. तो फिर then I started recognizing कि अच्छा हीरो होंडा का edge का लोगो ऐसा है, और I think Hyundai का है साथ में, Hyundai and Honda, sorry, Honda and Hyundai. There is a confusion in cars because the logo is somewhat similar, both right edge, and one edge is little slant, little italicized, and one is straight. So I recognize, I just kept it in my mind कि okay, straight वाला Honda का है और slant वाला जो है Hyundai का है. So just see how important is it to make your brand image, and companies spend lot of money on that. So it is very very important. IPR is very important. आप कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ innovative करते हो, कुछ बच्चे projects करते हैं, कुछ बच्चे बिजनेस में कुछ नई चीज करते हैं. Recently some students, final year BCA students are doing one project. I think they are also part of IIC. I am not able to see them here. Third year के student नहीं है यहाँ पर. अनीशा, BCA third year की वो टीम नहीं है. Those who are doing a project based on.
वहीं पे कर
वो प्रोजेक्ट हमने उनके लिए एक इंक्यूबेशन सेल भी बनाई है कॉलेज में. नाउ यू शुड बी हैप्पी टू नो दैट वी आर नाउ एस्टैब्लिशिंग an incubation cell. What is the role of incubation cell? That whatever, if you are doing something great, something innovative, and you think to make it as a business or commercialize this for your business purpose, you can use the college resources. Because I know, कि मतलब we know that students do not have that much funds कि वो कोई ऑफिस हायर करें, टीम हायर करें, और क्योंकि सब में पैसा लगता है. So colleges give this opportunity to the students that while studying, if they want to innovate something, they want to start something, startup kind of, so they can use the college resources. So we have already established, it's in the process. Maybe next semester you will find it in a better situation. We have started this semester itself. And some of the students are doing one project. I'm guiding them, and they are doing some hardware related project. And they were saying that they have done the study, similar kind of thing. Yes, 1 or 2 countries have done some commercial level, but it is very high level. But at a mass level, user ke level pe, customer ke level pe, household level pe, nobody is doing this kind of work. So they have taken that idea. Now they are developing some hardware. And the idea came from COVID situation. I just gave them this idea कि that COVID में oxygen की कमी से कई लोगों की death हो गई. So that was the objective. So always remember, whenever any innovation takes place, it starts with a problem. You see the problem around you, and सबसे ज़्यादा जो problem आपको तंग करती है ना, आप उसका solution अच्छा ढूंढ पाओगे. And from there innovation starts, from their startups start. जितने भी startup आपने देखे होंगे recent years में, try to study them. I have discussed many in my earlier talks also. Arch is there now. Okay, so they're doing some good project. And once it is ready, I will suggest you have some demonstration of that project after the completion of it. And it will be good, the students will get motivated to see that yes, हमारे कॉलेज में ऐसे काम भी होते हैं, BCA के students ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं. It's very big thing. Because I have seen, I keep going to assess the projects at different colleges, and I found, trust me, and you should feel proud of this, all BCA students. I'm more specifically telling about BCA because BCA has been my program for more than 17 years now. So although now I'm not heading the IT department, but still I'm teaching in BCA. So BCA के बारे में ज़्यादा मुझे पता है. Slowly I'm taking up all other departments, trying to understand what they are doing, different kind of projects. But that is my area also. My technical area also is IT. So I have seen the projects in different colleges, what students are doing in BCA. और BCA के students को proud feel होना चाहिए कि trust me, I have gone to MSI many times, I have gone to WIPS many times for assessment of BCA projects, I have gone to IITM many times, and I have found the quality of projects is not at par with our projects, what our students, our GIMS students are doing. So you should all take this as a pride, that you are doing a great job. Give a big round of applause for all of you. I'm sure in other departments also, in BJMC and BBA also, the students are doing great things. When I discuss with the head of the departments, then I come to know more about these 2 departments. Now I am slowly understanding. So the heads, what they tell, what their students are doing, different kind of activities and projects, different activities also in different clubs. And trust me, the students are doing a great job. So I am really happy to see the students doing this kind of work during their college life. And we will try to give more exposure to all of you. So suggestions are also welcome. Suppose we are lacking somewhere, and you feel कि दूसरे हमारे फ्रेंड के कॉलेज में ये होता है और हमारे कॉलेज में नहीं होता, अगर हो तो और अच्छा है. So I am open to that. Please give your suggestions. If you are not directly meeting me, come through your teachers. Whichever club you want to give some suggestion, you can talk to your club faculty coordinators. If you want to give some suggestion related to your subjects, talk to your subject teachers, talk to your head of the departments. And if you want to give some suggestion related to administration, college का कोई एक activity, कोई administration में आपको लगता है improvement हो सकता है, तो give suggestions to the head admin. And कोई ना मिले तो आप कोई भी मेरे club का बच्चा कोई भी activity के लिए can come and meet me. I'm easily accessible. Only you will have to ask the secretary that whether I am available at that time or not. Okay, so keep doing great things. I'm happy to see, IIC is picking up now because it is high time. 2018 we have established this IIC, and I'm proud to be, you can say, founder member of IIC. I have been involved with IIC since its inception. Even the idea, one fine day, director sir called me when I was head of IT in 2018, and he called me and he said, ये पेपर में ऐड आया, there was an advertisement in paper कि Ministry of HR, तब Ministry of HR होती थी, HRD, अभी उसको Ministry of Education बोलते हैं. That time there was no Ministry of Education, it was Ministry of HRD, and they had placed some ad or some information about that. Now we are trying to start IICs in different higher education colleges so that the students can get motivated to do this innovative things, and they should come with IPRs. When our Prime Minister realized that although we are having such a huge population and IPR, the patents we are having, we are lacking in patents. Patents दूसरी countries के ज़्यादा हैं और हमारे कई patents कराए ही नहीं गए, कई चीज़ें हमारी IPR में रजिस्टर ही नहीं हुई. तो अगर आपको बताऊं तो you will be surprised to know this turmeric. टर्मरिक हम मेरे ख्याल से सबके घर के खाने में सब्जी में हल्दी डलती है. तो इसका मतलब हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज टर्मरिक की कितने हजारों साल पहले आइडेंटिफाई कर ली थी और उसको खाने का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट बना दिया. आई थिंक वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा टर्मरिक, एग्जैक्ट तो मुझे आई डोंट नो द डेटा, बट वर्ल्ड की जो हाईएस्ट यूजर ऑफ टर्मरिक है उसमें इंडिया ज़रूर होगा, क्योंकि शायद हमारे घर में रोज खाना बनता है, रोज हल्दी डलती है किसी ना किसी चीज में, पर हमने कभी इसको रिलेट ही नहीं किया कि इसकी मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, हम यूज करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ इतना उसका कल्टीवेशन भी होता है. हमने कभी इसको रजिस्टर ही नहीं करा क्योंकि हमको लगा कि ये तो सबको पता ही होगा. और कहीं वेस्ट में जाके किसी ने टर्मरिक को रजिस्टर कर दिया कि ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, एंड जब उन्होंने रेस्टोरेंट्स में दे आर selling this, क्या golden coffee or something ना है, golden latte, they are selling beverages with this name. वो क्या हल्दी वाला दूध, जो हमारी दादी नानी बचपन में कोई चोट लग जाए, कोई बीमार हो तो क्या कहते हैं, बेटा हल्दी वाला दूध पी लो. हल्दी इज ट्रीटेड एज एंटीसेप्टिक. हमें याद है चोट लग जाती थी ना बचपन में, तो सरसों के तेल में हल्दी डाल के उसको गर्म किया जाता था और उसके बाद कॉटन से उसकी सिकाई करते थे उस वूंड के आसपास. ये करते थे और साथ में कहते थे 1 गिलास हल्दी वाला दूध पी के सो जाओ. यू ऑल माइट बी रिलेटिंग, घर में ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं तो ये अभी भी करते होंगे. तो हमने इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस ही नहीं समझी, हमने मतलब ही इंडियंस. So slowly now when this IIC was formed, and you should feel happy to know that we are among very less colleges in Delhi. I think top 1,000 colleges were given the IIC status that time, 2018, and our college was one of them. I had attended their installation ceremony also in AICT. हमारे पास में ही है AICT के auditorium में they had conducted this event. तो establish जो IIC गवर्नमेंट ने करी थी वो भी मैंने इवेंट अटेंड किया है, and we are proud. And when our courses were registered under AICT, I think, do you all know now your courses are approved by AICT. It is since 2023. before 2023, only UGC was affiliating or giving grant to our courses, and now BBA and BCA program. These are the two programs, not BJMC right now. These two programs come under the purview of AICT, All India Technical Council of Technical Education. तो AICT ने जब रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए फॉर्म खोला एप्लीकेशन का 2023 में, and they asked the colleges to register where the BBA and BCA program was running. So do you know what was their condition to register? The condition to register with AICT as a college was that you should have IIC in your college. So in 2023, all BBA and BCA colleges started the process of establishing the IIC because it was mandatory. Unless you have IIC registration number, you cannot apply for AICT approval. Just imagine the government has made it so mandatory to have IIC in the college. हमको कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ा, हमारे पास 2018 से IIC थी. So we could have registered our IIC, we could tell them कि we are getting 4 stars, 4.5 stars since its inception, and we got registered with AICT. So please understand, these things are important. हम काम अच्छा करते हैं, उसका कभी-कभी acknowledgement लेना, उसका credit लेना भी ज़रूरी होता है. और ये IPR is one of the activity where you can register whatever you have created with your intellect, with your name. And then there are guidelines, different kind of IPRs have different guidelines, how many years you can register, okay, and how you can renew it, and whether renewal is possible or not. Certain things you cannot renew also, certain 10 years, 15 years you get the registration only. Because after that, if it is useful for the more people, तो उसको ऊपर करना पड़ता है, you cannot register. These are some guidelines. I think your IIC will be conducting some programs on that. So no, now I will not take much time. Already मैंने बहुत time ले लिया. And I am happy and I am telling the students, those who are doing something great, कुछ भी project कर रहे हो, कोई innovative चीज़ कर रहे हो अपने department में, अपने curriculum में, and you feel you are the first one in the world, not in India. In the world that nobody has thought this kind of idea and you are bringing something new. So please get it registered under this IPR Act. It is very, very important. Okay, now the government, I think we have circulating to the departments, mails coming from AICT that first 20 patents or IPRs, they will register free of cost. This government will pay for you. Whatever is the registration fee, government is going to pay. So they are trying to promote the IPR, and I think the students should take the advantage of this. So I wish you all the best, and I would like to congratulate Dr. Anisha and all IIC members, faculty members and the student members for doing a great job, and keep the good work going. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Now let's continue with round 1 only.
Hello everyone. Hope everybody was enjoying the event till now. Few changes हुए हैं अभी. So we have found out that 5 teams are tied. So we are going to So 5 teams are tied, and we're going to call those 5 teams to the stage. Team number 5, please raise your hand and please come here. Team number 8. We've already allotted them. Team number 8. Team 15. Team 17 and Team 20. Please come to the stage and let's give them a round of applause. Please, थोड़ा chaotic हो रहा है. Stand with your team members, please. So now the situation is a bit different. So let me tell you the reverse.
बेटे अलग अलग जगह पे खड़े हो, 5 टीम्स अलग से दिखें.
It's 1,
नीचे खड़ा कर दो एक दो कुछ को नीचे दो ना आप नीचे आ
आप नीचे आ
जाओ आप नीचे आ जाओ
ताकि टीवी को अच्छे से दिखे ना सबको।
5 and team 8.
और ऐसे कि सबको जजेस को भी स्क्रीन दिखे।
Can team 5 raise your hand please? Team 5, team 8, team 15, 17, 20. Okay, so everyone
नीचे आ जाओ
is here.
अब दूर से इधर उधर थोड़ा नो वी ऑल
Okay.
आ गया
Now let me tell you थोड़े revised rules. What we're going to do is, what we're going to do is, since you all are tied, we are going to show you 5 more taglines. 5 teams हैं. I'm going to ask a lot one tagline to each team. If you can answer it, you get the points and you go to round 2. If you can't answer it, then you're out. We need 4 teams for round 1, so only 1 team will be eliminated. Are you all ready? Everyone in the audience also ready? Can we give them a round of applause before starting, please? Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you will tell the first tagline, the one that's going to be on the screen now. 2-minute dash. You have 10 seconds to answer this question.
No hand raise.
Okay. Thank you for participating.
किसी और टीम को देते ना
Does anybody else have an answer? Okay. So you, I'm sorry, but you raise your hand first. Can we get your answer? That's actually correct. Thank you for answering that. Please answer the next slide. Dash is nothing. Does anybody want to? Sports, say sport brand related. Time's up. Okay. So you have an answer? Impossible is nothing. That's correct. Round of applause. Thank you for answering that. अब हर dash पूरी होगी. You are going to answer this one. अब हर wish पूरी होगी. I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys are going to be answering this one.
हो गया ना
Next one. You're going to be answering this. You have 10 seconds. No. G for genius, but that was a good try. Can we get the next one, please? Yes, this one yours. You can't answer that. That's wrong. No. Yes, life's good, but first time's up. So I'm sorry, and your time is up. So life's great was the correct answer, but please don't answer like that. Okay, so we still have 2 teams left for a tiebreaker. I think we have more slides. Can we please go on to the next one?
उन्हीं 2 टीम्स को रखो ना बाकी टीम को
Team 5 and Team 20 can go, please. Thank you so much for participating. It was great to have you here. You guys can go. Team 5 and Team 20 have to stay. I am so sorry, that was a mishap.
सारे चले जाओ टीम 5 and 20
Team
5 and 20 to team 5 and 20 please come
So sorry for that.
5 and 20
are
please stay on the venue please.
They have to stay. Can I get everyone's attention, please? So there was a mishappening. I am so sorry for that. Can we please get 5, 17 and 18? 5, 7 and 8. 15, 7 and 8 on the stage, please.
I would like to call upon the stage Mayank and Akaisha. Ayush Dagar and Kunal Shukla. Please come up on the stage, please. Jay Bhardwaj and Arush Goyal.
Ayush Goyal.
Ayush Goyal. Now I would like to announce the result of round 1. I would like to call upon the stage team 1. Please come up on the stage. Team 3, Sameer Sarwal and Mayank Jha. Abhinav Bish and Vashisht Arora. Ayush and Vanita Dua. Prachi and Janvi. Saloni and Unnati. Hargun and Neil. What was your team number? 50. And Ayush Dagar and Kunal Shukla.
आयुष टीम
50. जो पीछे थे उनका टीम. आपका टीम नंबर क्या था?
1 है, 3 है. Yeah, 1, 3, 5. Yes. Please keep saying yes. Please keep raising your hand. 1, 3, 5.
आपकी टीम 5.
नेक्स्ट राउंड थोड़ा सा देखिए चले जाना.
You all have been selected for the round 2. I would like to. Now you all have been divided into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. All the odd team are requested to be a part of Group A and move to the left side, and all the Group B, the even team number, are requested to move on the left side, right side.
लेफ्ट पे इधर बैठ जाइए. फर्स्ट सीट पे बैठ जाओ यहाँ पे. Now we start with the round 2 of our event. पहली बार यहाँ पे कौन सा टीम है? ऊपर चेक करो कि आप वहाँ क्रिश वहाँ पे जियो टैग लिए. हाँ वो तो वहाँ से तुम ठीक है.
Group A people, I would like Group A people, please raise your hand. The rules for round 2 are each team will get 15 seconds to guess the correct answer.
ग्रुप ए, जो जितनी भी टीम्स ग्रुप ए में है आपको 15 सेकंड्स दिए जाएंगे। यहाँ पे स्लाइड्स दिखाई जाएंगी, उनमें 2 हिंट्स होंगे और एडवर्टाइजमेंट के 2 स्क्रीनशॉट्स। आपको 15 सेकंड्स होंगे, आपको गेस करना है कि वो कौन सा ब्रांड है। जो जितनी जल्दी गेस कर पाएगा उसके उतने पॉइंट्स बढ़ते जाएंगे और जो ग्रुप में लीड करेगा वो ग्रुप उस ग्रुप का विनर होगा।
Before the hints are completely read out, no team is allowed to answer. If any team answers early, it will lead to an immediate disqualification for that question.
ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है। हिंट पढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने ब्रांड्स को गेस करा तो आप डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाओगे अपने ग्रुप से।
Clues will be given one by one. Team must carefully listen to all the hints before responding.
जो हिंट्स यहाँ पे एंकर पड़ेगा, आपको उनको ध्यान से सुनना है और यहाँ पे रीड करना है और जो स्क्रीनशॉट्स हैं उनको ऑब्जर्व करना है और ध्यान से अपना ब्रांड आपको गेस करना है। एक ही बार चांस मिलेगा, दोबारा आपको चांस नहीं मिलेगा उस क्वेश्चन के लिए।
Only when the host says you may answer now, the team can respond to the question.
जब आपको होस्ट अलाउ करे आंसर करने के लिए तभी आप आंसर कर सकते हो अपने ग्रुप से।
Each team gets only one chance to answer per question.
जैसे कि मैंने पहले बोला कि हर टीम को सिर्फ एक ही बार चांस मिलेगा, एक क्वेश्चन के लिए एक ही बार आंसर करना है। अगर गलत हुआ तो आपके 0 लगेंगे और अगर आपका सही हुआ तो आपके पॉइंट्स बढ़ते चले जाएंगे।
Any form of indiscipline such as shouting answer, interrupting or cheating will lead to an immediate disqualification.
पीछे से आंसर्स बोलना या फिर चीटिंग करना या फिर इंटरप्ट करने की वजह से आप डिस्क्वालीफाई हो सकते हो।
Correct answer will earn point. The team with the maximum point at the end will.
जितने आप पॉइंट्स गेन करते जाओगे आपके फिर उसको कैलकुलेट करेगा कि आपके कितने मैक्सिमम पॉइंट है, आप उस हिसाब से अपने ग्रुप में विन कर जाओगे।
Only the team from group A can answer this round. Now let's start with the round. The first question is iconic claw mark logo trademark in beverage branding. Major sponsor in esport, motorsport and extreme sport. You may now answer.
Monster Energy.
That's the correct answer. Next question. This brand's trademark known for audio product and wearable accessories associated with fitness, audio gear and youth sport lifestyle. You may answer now.
Yes.
Previous. Boat. That's the wrong answer. Anyone want to try?
Only group
That's the wrong answer.
You're winner. Noise.
For the next question, one of the largest global patent holder in electronic and semiconductors associated with Olympic and sport tech devices. You may answer now.
Samsung.
Samsung. That's the correct answer. Your team number?
13.
30. Now we move to the next question. Patents in off-highway tire technology, sponsor of Indian Premier League and Global Sports League.
Wait. Let the anchor decide. Let him complete the question. Let him read the question first, and then raise your hand. And you volunteers look at the hands. Who is raising the hand on the first go? Right? This is your duty. But after he will complete the question. All right.
That's the wrong answer. Anybody wants to try? The time is up. That's the wrong answer.
You ask volunteers किससे पूछना है, right?
The next question. This company patents in telecom, 5G and digital ecosystem services. Title sponsor of Indian Premier League team. Yellow. That's the correct answer.
Team number yellow 5.
Next question. This company features iconic swoosh trademark plus patented footwear technology. One of the biggest sponsor of global athletes and sports leagues.
Nike.
That's the correct answer.
Team number.
The next brand is famous for widely using of fitness and athlete tracking, strong IP battles over design and software patents.
अरे हाँ पूछा तो हमसे है एप्पल आईफोन
That's the correct answer.
13
मैंने बोला
उनका पहला. The next question. This brand trademarks in wearable tech like smartwatches and audio devices focus on fitness tracking wearable for sports users. That's the correct answer. This brand streams content under licensed copyrights, movies, shows, sports branding, and please let me complete the question first. If you do so, it will lead to a disqualification of the team. This brand stream content under licensed copyrights, movies, shows, sports branding rights, and official digital broadcaster of Premier League. You may answer now. That's the correct answer. Now we move to the last question. The last question of Group A. This brand trademarks copper top battery design plus power tech pattern. It is used in sports, electronics, wearable, and training devices. Yellow.
Team number 5.
That's the correct answer. Now there has been a tie between the team 3, team 13 and team 5. For the tiebreaker, we will show you 6 more questions. The team with the most answer will win. I would request only the team 3, 13 and 5 will answer this question. Team 3 is Samir Sarwal and Mayank Jha. Please come forward. Team 13 is Prachi and Janvi.
Team 5.
Abhinav Visht and Vashish Arora. Now there has been a tiebreaker between you 3. We will show you 6 more. The team with the most answer will move to the final round. The next question, in this brand is iconic 3-stripe trademark plus patented footwear, hold design patent for footwear technology. That's the correct answer.
Volunteers, anchor नीचे पढ़ रहा है, इससे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन जीता है?
Sir, hints पढ़ने के बाद जो उसका सबसे हुआ है.
There has to be someone out there. That person will decide कि कौन इसका hand raise हुआ है.
क्योंकि कभी कोई बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन के बाद करो और हम
Question
उसके बाद कर रहे
question
हैं
के बाद
hints पढ़ लेंगे उसके बाद.
And you will not decide. That person, the volunteer, will decide किससे पूछना है.
The next question. It's famous for largest holder of software patents globally. It provides cloud and analytical tech used by sports organizations globally.
No, why are you deciding, yaar? She will decide, na?
That's the wrong answer. Hello. That's the wrong answer. You want to try it? Okay, then we'll move to the next one. That's the wrong answer. Thank you. The next question. This company trademark owned by Tata Group, widely used in cooling appliances, known for association with cricket leagues in India, IPL team sponsorship and ads. That's the wrong answer. The time is up. For the next question, trademark in automotive lubricants with patented oil tech. It's a major sponsor in motorsport like Formula 1 and racing. That's the wrong answer.
Time's up.
The next question. This brand is strong global patent portfolio in smart appliances and IoT tech. It is an official partner / sponsor in major global events like cricket tournament and Olympic branding campaigns. That's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. Want to try again? The time is up. Okay, so now we move to the last question of Group A. This brand holds trademark for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, along with patents in AI, VR, and social networking tech. It is also streams sports content, enable fan engagement, and it is widely used in India for cricket updates, athlete promotion, and live interaction. That's the correct answer. This round is over for Group A. We will soon announce the result. We now move to this round for Group B. The rules are same for Group B. Only the Group B will answer this round. This brand trademarks include the Smile Arrow from A to Z, hold patent in e-commerce and logistics system.
Need.
That's the correct answer. What's your team number?
20.
20. For the next question.
wait. बेटा आप ना सामने से व्यू रहेगा ना छोड़ रहेगा अभी ना व्यू
All the volunteers please come forward to choose the team from Group D who will answer the question.
she will decide. You have to ask her only.
For the next question. This brand holds patent in fast charging and optimized mobile performance, popular among mobile gamers and esport users.
OnePlus.
That's the correct answer.
20.
For the next question we have, this brand extensive patent in electronic batteries and home appliances. It is used in it is a long time partner of global sports event like Olympic, strong presence in India tech and broadcast ecosystem. What's the answer?
You have to raise your hand after the last word.
बेटा आपका हैंड ऐसे हो रहा है, ऐसे होना चाहिए।
Orange t-shirt, I need the answer. If you don't know the answer, please don't raise your hand. That's the correct answer.
8.
For the next question we have, this brand is recognizable Leaping Cat trademark plus patented footwear and performance tech. It is an official kit sponsor of Indian national cricket team and partner with multiple IPL teams.
Puma.
That's the correct answer.
20.
For the next question we have, this brand strong trademark identity in beverages and branding. It is a former sponsor of Indian cricket and Formula 1 teams.
Kingfisher.
That's the correct answer.
पहले रखोगे ना तभी कभी भी नहीं पकड़ा जाता इसमें फटाफट हाथ लास्ट में जाता
For the next question we have, this brand trademark in e-commerce, grocery and supply chain system. It is a part of Tata Group ecosystem. It is also linked with Indian sports sponsorship.
wait this girl
सर ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद हैंड रेज करना था
उसके बाद ही तो किया उसने
बिग
किया
बास्केट कोई नहीं
That's the correct answer.
8
For the next question we have, this brand is trademark in denim fashion and apparel branding, linked with youth and sport lifestyle branding.
wait this girl
Calvin.
कैल्विन क्लेन
That's the correct answer.
स्पीड होता है बेटा आपके भी आया था बहुत बार
For the next question we have, this brand trademark and patent in smartphone camera and display tech. It is a formal title sponsor of IPL.
Vivo. Vivo. Team number 20.
That's the correct answer.
So what's
For the next question we have, this brand trademark recognized for its orange blue branding and patented lubricant formulations, sponsored leagues of cricket and biopic of Indian legend.
orange
That's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to try?
Lubricant sir, Fevicol कैसे?
Time's up.
The time is up. For the last question we have, this brand is a globally registered trademark with strong brand identity in aviation, major sponsor of global cricket events and team with strong visibility among Indian fans.
wait एक मिनट आपने पहले कर दिया वो टीम है
पूरा आंसर
We need the full answer.
yes
That's the correct answer.
Team 20.
20.
We now have our finalists from both the round. From Group A, we have Team 3. And from Group B, we have Team 20. For this round, you need to first let the question be completed, then you raise your hand. And kindly move to the stage. We now start with the final round, 1 versus 1. This brand trademarked streaming platform with licensed copyrights for film, series and originals, expanding into sports entertainment documentary series on cricket and global sports, widely followed by Indian audience.
Netflix. 20.
That's the correct answer.
Teams थोड़ा इधर हो थोड़ा और इधर बस.
For the next question, we have patented in commercial vehicle engineering and automotive tech, support Indian sports through corporate initiative and logistics.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
That's the wrong answer. The question moves to the second team. Can I have an answer?
Time's up.
Time's up. For the next question, this brand is core patent in processor and semiconductor architecture, power, esports, gaming, and sport analytical system. That's the correct answer. For the next question we have, this brand is famous LV monogram trademark, protected globally, designed trophies and cases for FIFA World Cup and other events.
Louis Vuitton.
That's the correct answer. For the next question we have, this brand trademark recognized by its red, white, blue flag logo in fashion. It is associated with Formula 1 through 3 team sponsorship.
Orange.
Tommy.
That's the correct answer. For the next brand we have, this brand hold patent and trademark in digital watches, calculators and electronic instrument, for example G-Shock Tech. It is popular among athletes and students in India for durable sport watches and timekeeping.
Casio.
That's the correct answer. Kindly maintain the decorum. For the next team we have, this team trademark includes Orange logo and premium aviation branding, official sponsor of FIFA and major football clubs. That's the correct answer. This brand is patent in high-end watch mechanics and design innovation, worn by elite athletes in tennis, F1 and golf. If you don't know the answer, kindly don't raise your hand. That's the wrong answer. That's the correct answer. The next brand, one of the world's most valuable trademarks, including its iconic script logo and bottle design. Long-time sponsor of global sports like FIFA and Olympics with strong cricket campaign presence in India.
Coca-Cola.
That's the correct answer. The next brand hold trademark and publishing rights for gamers like Free Fire along with IP in online gaming platforms. It is major player in esport. Free Fire tournaments gained huge popularity among Indian sports. That's the correct answer. For the next question we have, this brand patents in comfort footwear technology, memory foam and cushioning, endorsed by Indian athletes and cricket personalities.
Skechers.
That's the correct answer. For the next question we have, hold patents in automotive engineering, EV tech and intelligent mobility system, former global sponsor of UEFA Championship League, strong visibility among Indian football fans. Answer? That's the correct answer. For the next question we have, this brand trademark in men's grooming product like beard oil, skincare and styling, popular in India's fitness and athlete lifestyle space, endorsed by cricketers and youth icons. Answer? That's the correct answer. Okay, so now this round has been completed. Team number 20 is the winner.
तुम लास्ट टाइम भी थे आईपीआर में
You will now receive a gift and the certificate.
मतलब हमको डाउट था कि ये विनर कैसे है तो सारे आगे
Team 20 is requested to come up